Good morning and welcome to my channel. It's Lorraine here. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you being here. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're not a subscriber and you're new to my channel, just thank you so much for joining me today, and please consider giving me a thumbs up and perhaps subscribing. Sorry, I'm just trying to tuck away that wire. I've got my phone on charge whilst I'm videoing, and I've just spotted the wire was in the way. So I've been making another journal. This should have been a quickie really. It's only taken me a few days to make this one. And he's a teddy bear journal. He measures, what does he measure? About 6.5 inches by 8.5 ish, and it's got a 2-inch spine. It's covered in this lovely linen fabric with bees all over it. The bees are to represent the honey that bears will eat. So I just thought that this fabric would suit this journal. So it's got 3 signatures stitched in on a hidden spine so that there's no stitching coming through on the outside of the spine. I've just got this honey coloured ribbon as a closure, but it's detachable, so there's nothing fixed in as a closure. And it's on cardstock, quite substantial cardstock, with the fabric stitched on to the cardstock. And I've made this topper that I've used some cardstock as a base. Then there's some paper that I've distressed around the edges, some corrugated card. It's got some linen fabric underneath the teddy picture, and some buttons, and this lovely bobble trim, and a little bit of cheesecloth underneath there. So as you can see, it's got lots and lots of little dangly blinky bits coming off of it in all directions, and I'll just quickly go through and let you see what's inside. So this is the hidden spine underneath, and I've just covered the front inside cover with some yellow coloured, I'm just checking I'm in frame, and I'm in frame, this yellow coloured cardstock. And there's a double pocket on the front. I've got a little letter in there telling you about the journal, and a little tag, another tag. There's lots of blank tags and lots of blank pages in this, so it's a really good writing journal or art journal, or you can use your own ephemera and make your own pages, decorate your own pages. So I've used some of the fabric throughout, the one with the bee in, and some of these little quotes there. So you're never too old to cuddle a teddy. I've still got a teddy that a dear friend gave to me. Donovan is called. Thank you, Jane Handley. So there's this gorgeous teddy. He's obviously going out for dinner. He's got his bow tie on. These are from Mrs. Coggs, the digital. So lots of coffee stained paper. And these, I haven't coffee stained these. These are from Amanda Charlesworth from I can't remember the name of it now. Create with Scrimpy Mummy. That's it. So I've done some stamping in areas throughout the journal. So this little cute teddy bear, and he just says, "Hello there, baby bear." And on the edge of that page is some lace. Another one of the digitals from the kit. Again, some coffee dyed pages, and I've done some stamping on there with Tim Holtz stamp, and some stenciling on here with, I don't know, a generic stencil that I've got from somewhere. Again, coffee stained, and on the top of this is just some of these lovely little tag things, tassels, tassels, not tags, on there. Some more of the digital, and I've just put some of this crinkled lace on the bottom, and there's a tag, a journaling tag on there underneath this paper clip that's got some eyelash trim that I've dyed on that side. Another Teddie tag there, some more stamping. This is from the kit again, and it's got some stitching around that page. Another stamped Teddie. See this hug? It's for you. And then I've got some cards, or I don't know, I've had cards from friends and things, so I've just used them in here. It seems they've always been and would always be friends. Time could change much, but not that. That's so true if you've got good friends. And a little journal card in there. Again, it's been stamped and it's distressed. And there's a tag, fabric tag here, some linen fabric. Another cute Teddie. He looks so cuddly, does this one. Some more stamping and some upholstery trim on the edge of that side. It's sort of the honey coloured, so it's like teddy bear coloured. Sorry for my nails, I've been doing some bits in the garden. I've made this pocket from some cardstock that I've got. Again, it's honeycombed with bees on, because theirs like honey. A little card, I don't know where I've got that from. I've backed it with just some craft paper. So journaling space on there. You've got journaling space here. And another tag, just using cardstock, and I've stamped the word Teddie. Some more fabric trim. Another, I think this is from the kit that I cut out from a page. And everybody needs a friend, even bears. Some stenciling on here. And this is Teddy Bear's Picnic. This is a lovely old vintage picture that I don't know where I've got it from. And two more, a journal tag and little journal card. Some more from the kit. A bear grows more alive with age. No one with 1 ounce of sensitivity could ever consign a bear to the dustbin. And another one from the kit. Here's another little bear stamp jumping onto the page. And again, another card that I don't know where I've got it from. Promise me you'll always remember. You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. And again, 2 more journal tags. Oh, there's that image I said I thought it was from here, and it is from here. Friendship bears. Again, journaling space. I've just done a little bit of stenciling on this page. Left this one blank, so lots and lots of space for either decorating or putting your photos in, doing a little bit of artwork in, or using as a diary or a memory book. Some more stenciling on here. Another one from the kit. Another pocket. Piglet, how do you spell love? Poo. You don't spell it, you feel it. Oh. And a little notelet here. I'm not sure where I got this one from. It may be Artie Mae's, I'm not quite sure. But again, the honey theme. Another lovely Teddie stepping out there. And another little journal tag that I've stamped on. Some more stenciling, and then some of this crocheted lace trim on the edge of that page. Another tall pocket on here with this lovely Teddie. Oh, he's squidgy. And again, journaling space on the back, and a little honey pot stamped on there. I love this. It reminds me of watching grandchildren asleep, that. And she's got a best friend there, hugging. A little tag with some more eyelash trim that I've dyed. And another journal tag on there. Some more stamping on that page. Here I've just put another one of these tassel trims. that needs trimming. It's a little bit untidy. Let me just take those edges off there. There we go. And this little journal card, loved, because teddy bears are loved, aren't they? And it's got some fabric and lace trim on there. So again, it's just journal space and an altered paper clip holding that in place. Another pocket that's been stamped and distressed around, some cheesecloth and this little teddy bear stamp, another journal card and tag. Another cutie little image, some more stamping on that page with some lace trim, stamped again on here and here. Another pocket and a little bit of this crinkled lace. Journal tags. They're all blank on the back, so that I've lined with the graph paper. And this paper's from Tracy Fox, Love Junk Journals. Some more stamping, some more eyelash trim that I've coloured, and another little tag with some twine on there. Another little tag, some more stamping, and then the final signature. There's Pooh Bear, obviously going for a walk in the woods. Another Pooh Bear quote: no matter the day, no matter the weather, life is just better when we are together. And I've done a large journal tag there with one of the images from the kit. Lost and found, lucky, lucky bear. In you go. These pockets are quite large. You can fit quite a few tags and things in there. Again, some stamping on that page and some more lace trim on the edge. Everything in life I share, except of course my bear. Another tag, some stamping on that page and some eyelash trim, some more twine on the top of that tag there. Another pocket with some of the upholstery trim and some buttons on there. And tags again in there, lots and lots of journaling space, cuddles and loved bears. How cute is this? Best friends. Look like they're going on holiday together. And Teddie's here sat having a drink on the park bench. And a tag that's from the kit. I've stitched around that and it's blank on the back for journaling. And 3 bears in a boat. Some more fabric tag, and then on the bottom of this page I've put some of the pom-pom trim. And another pocket using that bee and honeycomb page. Some cheesecloth, thank you, linen fabric, and a little cute and cuddly tag. Teddy bear on there, and another tag, blank for journaling or decorating. Some more lace trim down that page with stamping on. Cute. So again, lots of journaling space all throughout. Another pocket with again the cheesecloth and a bear hugs tag on there. This little journal card and this teddy tag. And here we go, another one of the images from the kit with the Playmates tab on there. It seems they had always been and would always be friends. Time could change much, but not that. That's the same quote as earlier. And then inside of here is another of the tags. Well, it's one of the pages from the kit, and I've printed it off smaller so to make a tag. Stitched around, and it's blank on the back for journaling, and it's got some of the linen fabric. Oh, pardon me, please, pardon me. Some more stenciling on this page, and this was from a birthday card. So Teddie with a cake. Another one of the pages from the kit, and again all this journaling space. some more stamping here, another tag with the eyelash trim, a blank coffee stained page for journaling. Lovely Teddie, somebody's been busy knitting that scarf and sweater for it. Another pocket with just some lace trim, a little journal card in there with Pooh Bear. Another one from the kit, a bear grows more alive with age. No one with an ounce of sensitivity could ever consign a bear to the bin. And another blank tag. Some more stamping on there, and then some more of the tassel trim on here. And the back page, again, it's got the yellow cardstock just covering the base. And in the pocket, another journal card. And you can fit so much more in there. So there's lots of space in this journal to continue decorating it, or for writing in, for drawing in, putting your photographs in. Lots of uses for this journal. So I'm going to put this in my KoFi shop. This will be for sale in my KoFi shop. If you're interested, just follow the link and have a look. There's lots of loose bits off this. Just have a look on my KoFi shop. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed watching this video, and have a blessed day, everybody. Bye.